Hello friends, welcome to Kalpacreationsbyruchita. Today we are going to make one pot meal, or it can be served as a breakfast or in lunch box. It is rice flour upma. We call it Ukadpendi in Marathi. First of all, start instant pot on saute mode and add oil. I am using coconut oil here, so let it melt. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and Asafoetida. Add green chilli and curry leaves. Let it splutter. Add onion. I'm using the sliced onion here. Mix it well. Add little bit of salt to get the onions cook faster. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes or till the onions get translucent. Add turmeric powder, cumin powder, and red chili powder. You can adjust the red chili powder according to taste, as we have added green chilies also. Mix it well. Add the buttermilk. This buttermilk must be sour. Let it boil. Add salt to taste and a little bit of sugar. This is optional. You can taste this liquid. It must be more salty because after that we will add rice flour. So the mixture is boiling. Add rice flour. There is a two-step. While mixing, you have to add rice flour and later on again mix it well. You have to adjust the rice flour according to the liquid. It must not be very soggy or not very dry. So you can see our mixture. If the mixture is dry, then you can sprinkle some water. Now cancel saute mode and start manual and set it for 0 minutes. Close the lid and set the vent on sealing mode. After timer is done, wait for 5 to 7 minutes and then open it. The rice flour upma is done. It is very easy and tasty, healthy also. Add chopped coriander and sprinkle some lemon juice, and it is ready to be served. You can add some vegetables if you want. Serve it with curd, sweet lemon pickle, or any spicy mango pickle. If you Want the written recipe? Then please check the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Meet you in the next recipe.